If u minus 3 equals 6 over t minus 2, what is t in terms of u? These questions are pretty common on the SAT. The key words are you want to rewrite the equation in terms of another variable. So in other words, you want to isolate t. And if you're not sure what the question is asking you for, glance at the answer choices. They will clue you in on what's being asked of you. So see, all of them start with t, which tells you need to get t by itself in the given equation. So let's get to work. So I'm going to copy it down. U minus 3 equals 6 over t minus 2. Now, if you wanted to think of it this way, you can actually give this a denominator of 1 so they look balanced. And now our next step will be to cross multiply. Notice that I'm enclosing the binomials with parentheses because we're going to need to multiply these, and it's always a good idea to have binomials in parentheses. So this will be u minus 3 times t minus 2 equals 6. Our goal is to get t by itself, so we can already see that we want to get rid of this guy right here. So why don't we do that using our inverse operation idea? We're going to divide both sides by u minus 3, divide this right side also by u minus 3. So you see those are canceling, and now on the left side we have t minus 2 equals 6 over u minus 3. Now to get t by itself, one last step is to get rid of the 2 that's next to it. So we'll do the inverse operation and add 2 to both sides like that. So what's going to happen on the left side, the 2's are gone. So t equals 6 over u minus 3 plus 2. This is the correct answer. However, when you glance over to the answer choices, you will not find it here. So which means the test maker wants us to simplify this a little bit more. Let's move it up here so we have more space to work with. So t equals 6 over u minus 3 plus 2 over 1. Again, because we can give any number a denominator of 1. Now we are adding fractions here. Remember, when you're adding two fractions, you need to find the least common denominator. We need to make this denominator the same as that one. So what do? We are going to multiply the second equation by u minus 3. And let's see what happens. It'll be 6 plus 2u minus 6. Where did that come from? We distribute this 2 here and here. And the denominator now is simply going to be the least common denominator, which is u minus 3. Now we have like terms, right? This 6 over here minus 6, those are going to cancel out. So this cancels that out. We are left with 2u over u minus 3 as our t is now isolated. And when you look closely, you will find that that's answer choice D.